This is a method that you've never heard of before. A brand new method on how to earn money online that will pay you an instant $35 per hour. This is not the kind of job that'll make you work for the full 8 hours because it will only take you less than 20 minutes to get paid every single day. So, are you excited to know about this method? Let's first do some basic math here. If you'll earn $35 per hour and you're going to multiply it by 24 means the application or website runs for a whole day on complete autopilot. From that, you're going to get paid $840 per day. That's a huge amount of money. So, in this video, I'm going to introduce this secret method that nobody knows about. Make sure you stay with me until the end of this video because every part of this video is important for you to earn huge sums of money. Please take note of the steps and how to set it up. Even if you don't have prior experience or any special skills, you can still try this one. After you watch this video, you better try it out right away before it becomes saturated and when many people are already using this method. Hi, welcome to Daily Cashflow, a channel that shows you all the best sites on where to make money online with all the best ways on how to make that money. So before we get to the video, hit that like button, subscribe, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Now, without further ado, let's start with the first step. Go and search this website called TapMob.io. And this is where you're going to generate money. Don't worry, you won't have to sell anything here or make any videos. All you need to do is choose CPA offers and promote them in very easy ways. TapMob is available both on Android and iOS devices. You can download the app for free on Google Play and the App Store. It's better to download the application because the payout will become a lot easier and you will see different CPA offers every day with various payment rates. Unfortunately, this is currently an invite-only website, so if you have no invitation code, you won't be able to join. But the good news is, I'll be sharing a code with you that you will see in the description box. If you know someone who's using TapMob already, you can also just use their invitation code. The most important thing is that you have a code so you can register. TapMob has for you exclusive offers and brands that are high paying. Their payment process only takes 1 to 2 business days. After that, you can get paid after the 2-day payment request. There isn't any contract as well on this website. You're free to promote your links and earn money anytime you want. For the second step, download the application itself, then proceed to the sign-up process. Click the Don't Have an Account sign-up link. Enter your first and last name, your username, email address, and your phone number. Here, you can see the invite code. This section is required, so you need to put the invitation code and then click the Next button. The next step is to create a new password and confirm it. Again, hit the Next button. And here's the part where you should put your social media accounts. If you have any of these social media platforms right here, you're free to put any accounts you want. And after that, this is how the dashboard will look like. Here, you'll see your daily income, ranking, team members, and the team commission. Now I want you to go to the offers section. These are the CPA offers that you can try to earn money. From this offer, you can earn a few dollars, but when it adds up, you can earn hundreds of dollars from this offer alone. And with this one, all you have to do is promote it to people and make them submit their emails. As you can see, you're not going to be selling or buying anything here. Every time other people sign up using their email, you're automatically earning money. So, this is your affiliate link, and you'll just have to copy this link. Paste it on your phone or type it on your laptop. Now, go to the payment section. Just click on the plus icon and then add your preferred payment option. Here, you can use wire transfer, direct deposit, PayPal, and other payment methods. Make sure you put the right information in this section. Only enter your real name, your number, and your email address. Now that we've copied the affiliate link, we need to share it so people can go to the website and sign up for free just by entering their email addresses. And voila, you get paid. By the way, just a quick reminder, if you like this channel, please do subscribe so you don't miss out learning new methods about making money online. We upload a lot of videos on this channel, so there's a lot of money-making methods that we can show you, and you can use either your laptop, computer, or phone. Most of them are free. Also, hitting that like button really helps out. Thanks for your time. This is Daily Cash Flow. Back to the video. For the next step, go to a website called propellerads.com. This is a platform for marketers and affiliates. This is the website that's going to be sending us traffic. Now head over to the sign up button and log in to choose advertiser. So on this website, there are a variety of ways to send traffic. They have here push notifications, on-click ads, in-page push notifications, and interstitials. And an interstitial is what we're going to be using in this video. It's like a huge pop-up image that comes up whenever people are browsing something online. So a notification like this will pop up. In this method, you can insert your affiliate link. Once you're done with the sign-up process, go ahead and log in as an advertiser. So this is what your account will look like. Now go to the Create Campaign button and then choose the interstitial option, non-full screen banner overlaying content. So just put a campaign name, for example, if it's a giveaway, and then select CPC or cost per click. The cost is super cheap, but the amount of income you could earn from this will be huge, because while you're sleeping, you can still earn money. Next, the target URL here is where we'll paste the copied link from TapMob. Just scroll down. For countries, select the countries that will be viewing your campaigns. Any country in the world can be put here. Just type the country and select it. For the CPC, or cost per click, you'll see here the optimal rates. One for recommended rate, and one for the maximum rate. If anyone signs up and puts their email, you can earn a few bucks from that. Scroll down and put your daily campaign budget and total campaign budget. For the platform section, it can be your own desktop or mobile. Just leave it there. And now, for the creative section, this is where you can put your script. Put a title and make sure you put the country so people from that country will know the campaign is for them. Next is the description. It's better if you include the word free here, no purchase required, or no investment required, so that people will be less hesitant to try it out, since they could just join for free. And so for every person who clicks on that link, you'll be able to generate money. Now for the photos, go to Google and search for iPhone photos or any image related to the CPA offer you chose. Just download one of these photo results and upload it on Propeller Ads. It could be an icon or landscape. At the right part of your screen, you'll be able to see the sample ads. Just click the Start Campaign to start earning money. There are a lot of ways that you can try just to promote your link. You can see on one of our latest uploads on this channel. If you want to know more about how to promote your link, you can watch our videos about affiliate marketing. And that's it. I hope you've learned something from this video. Just share your comments and thoughts down below in the comment section. And don't forget to click the like button and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. So that's it for today. I hope you learned something from today's video. And to get updated with the next videos, don't forget to hit the notification bell. See you next time.